Hello everyone, my name is Vises Patel. I am IELTS trainer at People's Overseas. Majority of students are not doing a proper preparation in IELTS, and because of this reason they are getting a low bench score in IELTS. So in this video I will talk about how you can do a proper preparation in IELTS listening section. Actually, if you want to do a proper preparation in IELTS listening section, you should follow major 4 steps. First step is that become used to of English listening conversation, as well as you should improve your concentration level. Majority of students are usually doing a whole listening test preparation directly in their beginning period of their preparation, and because of that reason they are not getting higher bench score in listening section. So first become used to of English listening conversation, especially in British as well as in Australian accent, and I would recommend 2 techniques to improve your concentration level. First technique is that listen different types of English listening conversation as much as you can. For example, you can also listen BBC English learning related videos and audios. Second tip is that you can also practice script reading along with audio. So in these 2 ways you can definitely improve a lot, and also you can improve your concentration level as well. Second step is that do individual practice of different types of question and learn individual tricks and techniques to solve different types of IELTS listening questions, because in this way you will definitely learn a lot, and also you will find a lot of problems, and after solving such type of problems you can improve a lot in your different types of questions of listening test. And also you cannot use the same techniques and tricks to solve different types of questions. So first apply such type of techniques in your IELTS listening practice. Third step is just do part wise preparation, because majority of times so many students usually tell me that sir, in part 3 and in part 4 they are finding so many difficulties. So if you will do a proper preparation and if you will do a part wise preparation, then these difficulties will definitely remove. And last step is that now you are completely ready for whole listening test practice, and I am 100% sure that if you will apply first 3 steps in your preparation, then your whole listening test would be really easy. So if you will apply 4 steps in your IELTS listening practice, then I am pretty sure that you will definitely achieve higher bench score in your listening section. Please follow People's Overseas for more videos like this. Like and subscribe People's Overseas for more information. Thank you for watching this video.